smoking and sipping the Arteta Outback. Cut it off. It's done. Sleggers in, mates. How about that? She knows exactly what we need. Best looking is the Dutch woman we know. Gets over the line in the biggest competition in Europe against the best team in the world, and have been the best team in the world for God knows how long. That have lost about 5 games in about 4 years. Interesting. Very interesting, guys. But don't worry, guys. We managed to scramble over the line against Southampton today. Everyone was singing Kieran Tierney's name. My baller actually scored. And now he's going to go back to Celtic and win trophies, which, believe it or not, is the sole aim of the game. No matter how many times these idiots try and tell you that other teams winning trophies is irrelevant, it's not. It's the sole purpose of the game. Win trophies. You're competing and playing to win trophies. But don't worry, guys. We have a dream, guys. Yeah? Cool. How about going have your dream somewhere else, mate? How about that? Absolutely shambolic season. But don't worry, we beat Real Madrid 5-1. Nobody cares. Arsenal ladies beat Real Madrid 3-2 on aggregate. They ended up lifting the trophy yesterday. Interesting. She got the job in October as interim caretaker. Full-time job from January. Cool, interesting. Oh, but Super Duper Mick won a trophy in his first 6 months. Yeah, he did. Ain't won nothing since, though, has he? 5 years later. I'll be going live after I've done Kenny and Jez fan cams, and we'll be going through a lot of the managers this season alone that have won a trophy in their first season. There's loads. Yeah, but Lee, you're going to bring up leagues around the world. Here I am. Football's the same sport in every country. You put the ball in this net, guys, as many times as you can, guys, and you keep it at this net. You win as many points as you can, guys, and the team who sits top of the league at the end of the games, guys, after you played each other twice, sometimes 3 or 4 times, depending on what league you're in, guys. They end up, guys. You've guessed it, guys. Drum roll, guys. With a trophy. The predefined metric for success in football. Not second. Not a Champions League semi. Not a League Cup semi. A trophy. And this guy can't get us across the line, so sack him. Get rid of him. Get rid of this geezer, mate. I swear. I'm being honest with you, yeah? If they don't do what I expect them to do, actually, I expect them to do nothing. I'll rephrase that. If they don't do what I'm happy with by the end of this transfer window, I'm going to do women's watch-alongs next season. So we can watch the women's team. At least they're now to get over the line. They got a proper manager. They turn up when it matters. 2-0 down in the first leg against Real Madrid. They slapped them 3-0 at home. 2-1 down at home to Lyon. Slapped them away. 4-2. Okay, cool. Get to the final against the best team in the world and on for a three-peat of the Champions League. 1-0, guys. Lofting the trophy. Shambles, isn't it, really? That the men are that shit that most people couldn't care less. Top Gooners trying the copium. Oh, people say that Tottenham in 17th have had a better season than Arsenal. They have, mate. They completed the aim of the game. They won a trophy. Any team on the planet that has won a professional trophy this season has had a better season than Arsenal. Sorry to break the news to you, but we already know the fact-based evidence of that. It's called a trophy, and it's the predefined metric for success. We don't need nobody's opinions on it. Mine, yours, anybody else's. We have a fact-based metric, not an opinion-based metric on context. Nobody cares about context. Did you win or not? Oh, you didn't. Cool. 5 years straight. Leave. Bye-bye. Get out. Don't want to see you again. Go and manage. Yeah. FC Cartagena. Go and manage them in La Liga DOS, bruv, because it's probably about your level in it. Make sure you sub to Lee Reacts, because talking of La Liga DOS, Santi Cazorla, 40-year-old Santi Cazorla, is on for promotion. Their manager's been there since March. He can't win the title now because Levante scammed a win right at the death, 97th minute. So they're 4 points behind them with a game to play. However, my Elche G's, go and watch the goal in that game. The first goal was cold. What a cross. That league is better than the Premier League. Don't want to hear it. Don't care. If you don't watch it, not interested. Yeah, it's a sick league. They can cross the ball. They've got tech. They play football. We just play robotic, system-based crap. And because they're all built like brick shithouses in our team, they just overpower you eventually. It's shit. It's rubbish. It's boring. I'm bored. Watching the women's team yesterday. They're popping the ball around. They can hold the ball up. No rolling around on the floor, feigning injury. No hair flicks, guys, believe it or not. How could you imagine that the women's team are not doing all this? Taking the hair out, put it back in the hair bubble. None of that crap. No, none of that to the referee. No arm waves. No snot flicks. Mad scenes, guys. Almost like the PR has got to these idiots. I'm seeing Chelsea today jumping for joy. Enzo Fernandez crying because he's got in the Champions League. You absolute wasters. You absolute wasters. In the dressing room, they're all jumping around. Yay, look at us. We've finished 4th. 60-odd points. Well done, mate. 3rd loser. Roman Abramovich must be absolutely fuming on his yacht full of baddies, bruv. The Premier League is the worst league in the world by a country mile. It's the best marketed league, and it's been infested with absolute fucking losers. Yeah, that just want to go online and banter rivals. Well, guess what? Nah, mate, because I'm going to mud every single one of their arguments. What phase? Yeah, what phase is the Aberdeen manager in? What phase is he in? He's only just got the job this year. Just beat Celtic, stopped him doing the treble. What phase is HNF? Rejek. What phase is their manager in? Phase are they in? Because he's only just got the job as well, and he's just beaten Dinamo Zagreb and Hajduk Split to a title first season. Only their 2nd title. What phase is the Krasnodar manager in? Because he's only just got the job, and he's just won them their first ever trophy, and it's a title. Stopping Zenit St. Petersburg doing a 6-peat. Oh, but who? Who? Yeah, do you remember? Oh, no, you probably don't, most of you, because most of you dickheads that sit online chatting shit weren't there when we signed Arsene Wenger. You weren't born. You don't know the history of our club. Arsene who? Cool. Cool. Well, we could say that about all these managers I'm saying then. Who? Who? Well, they all seem to be able to get over the line. The top 4 teams in the 2nd division of Spain have all had the job for less than a year. And they're the top 4 teams in Spain. Elche is 2nd. 2nd, 2 points off the top with a game to play. 1 game, going down to the last game of the season. Guess what, guys? The manager got the job this year, and they were 11th last season. How's he managed to get from 11th to 2nd just like that in his title race right to the death? Interesting stuff. Anyway, it's what it is. Round and round and round we go with super duper tippity tip top tippity tip Mick Arteta. Man United fans, absolute shambles. 15th in the league, lost to Tottenham in a final. The stadium was absolutely rammed today. English football's in the bin, mate. Oh, but it's the journey. Oh. Nobody cares, bruv. AC Milan Ultras stormed outside the stadium they were playing in yesterday, the San Siro. Big banners up for the ones that went inside saying, go home. Get everyone out. Protesting outside the ground. This is only the beginning, they said. Guess what happened, guys? They're calling Ibrahimovic out. They're calling all the board out. What happened today, guys? Oh, they got a new board member. Mad, isn't it? R9, yes, Fat Ronaldo. One of the GOATs of the game. One of the GOATs. I'm seeing Barcelona getting a guard of honor right now at Bilbao. R9, Ronaldo, 51% stake in Rayo Valladolid. All season, they've been holding banners up. Ronaldo, go home. Go home. And the O in go is Ronaldo's face. Guess what happened, guys? On Friday, he sold his 51% stake. Cheers, guys. Trust the process, because I ain't, and I never will. Load of bollocks, just some throwaway buzz phrase. Oh, but injuries. Oh, but this. Oh, but that. Nobody cares. Win or leave. Get somebody else. Keep getting somebody else till you find one that can win. And then when they stop winning, get somebody else. Pretty simple concept, guys. Anyway, trust your process. Good luck with next season, because it's going to get worse. And make sure you back the next manager how you back this one. Slegger's in, mate. My fucking manager. Gosh.